Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. Not a whole lot to update you about from the Wednesday video. Drake and Alan been up there in the mountains all week, so me and Evan could only get done just a little bit. Plus, had some things to do Friday, so I wasn't here. And Edwin took off to the Redneck Rumble up there in Tennessee, so he left, I want to say Thursday, headed up that way. So maybe he's having a good time up there, and maybe Alan Drake's having a good time. Good luck up there in the mountains. But we're going to kind of show you just a little bit, maybe show you a little bit about the race car while it's up on the rack, show you a little bit about the suspension and stuff like that. So let's get started. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just start back there with the Mustang. Got it up on the lift because we got to do some start aligning and check all the bolts and everything. Make sure everything's good and tight. We put the AJE K-member and coilovers on the front. They've been on there for a while now. Still got the factory rack. Still the power rack. I've raced it like that for years with the power rack on it. Might be a little bit hard to steer, but it works good. Don't need to worry about it too much when you're going straight anyway. Just backing in up to the trailer. But anyway, we got the big block 460. Nothing real radical, just kind of mild. Got the 2-speed Powerglide transmission set up with the trans brake in case we want to run the trans brake or something like that. It's the 8.8 rear end, 410 gears. Got the AJE upper trailing arms adjustable. Got them on the top. Had them on there for a while too. And we just recently narrowed up the rear end. I think we took about 2.5 inches out of each side so we could put these wheels, the weld wheels that we already had. They're a 15x8 with a 3.5 back spacing. That way they took up under it real good. I'll try to let it down so you can see it real good. So we took about, like I said, I want to say it was about 2.5 inches, narrowed it up, put the Speedway Performance rear disc brake conversion kit on it. Got the Lakewood shocks, Moroso springs. The shocks and the springs, they've been on it since I built the car. It's probably about time for a shock upgrade. 410 Motorsport gears. Team Z lower trailing arms. And that's one thing you see, I got to put the bolts in, get them adjusted, get everything tightened down. I think we got the brackets from Team Z also when we welded on to narrow up the rear end. Hoosier slicks. Like I said, the weld wheels on the front and the back. Here's the front ones. Got the 3.5 on the front. And like I said, the 15x8 with a 3.5 back spacing on the rear. Let's see. Let's let it down right quick where you can see how it looks where it sits there. Like I said, if you just put a 3.5 inch back spacing wheel like that on a regular 8.8 in the Fox body, you're going to stick out a good ways. If you got the factory rear end and you want a tire and wheel combo that sets up under there, you need a 15x8 with a 5-on-5 back spacing, I believe. If you get a 4.5 back spacing, it kind of sticks out just a little, but we kind of wanted ours to tuck under there. Just seems to look a lot better than it does to me. And you can see how it sets right there. And I actually believe that we might can go a 15x10 and go another inch that way and an inch this way and still be okay and be able to run a 10-inch tire. And you remember the video on our switch panel. Got our Kirkley seat in, got our MSD ignition, everything. All we like is wiring up the trans brake and the 2-step. We get it wired up. That'll have everything wired. Tacks up there. I believe it's the odometer tack with the shift light, recall, RPM, all that. Anyway, nice little setup. If we ever get her going, maybe we can make a couple passes at the track. And like I said, I like the way that wheel sets up under there with a little bit of narrowed rear end. Now let's just show you a little more stuff. Did get the carpet in the F250. If you saw the Wednesday video, you know we got the door panels on and the 08 switches wired up in there. Got the carpet put in. Now we'll be ready to start mounting. Need to put the seat belts. We want to use the seat belts out of the Harley truck. And then we'll be ready to put the seats in, hopefully. And we've got to put the trim panels back here, post panels, get all that in. Then we'll be ready to put the seats in. Oh, little flyer here, show you that. And don't forget, November the 11th, downtown Collinsville, Alabama, we do our Turkey Trot car show. They have a big festival like in downtown on Main Street, and they give us the end of it down there close to the railroad tracks to do a car show. The last couple of years, we've had a real good turnout, and a little bit of rain to start with, but it cleared up last year and people piled in. I think we had about 65 cars. The year before that, it was clear, a little breezy. We had about 75 to 80 cars. So last year, if the rain would have held off, I believe we'd had a real good count. But anyway, I'd like everybody to show up, come up. It's a free entry. Just sit around, hang out. We do give away trophies for first motorcycle, first car, and first tractor. And then we give a people's choice. Let everybody vote on the one they like. But it's usually a real good show, and there's stuff for everybody to do. Bring the wife, the kids, the grandkids. It's a real good turnout every year. Hope to see you there. We'll be showing more along about it as we go too. And then the Dodge truck. I can't remember if I showed much in the Wednesday video about it. I think Drake has the this side worked, ready to prime, and right up through here just mainly needs cleaning and cleaned up. But he's got that bedside work ready to prime. This side he's real close on, got a few more spots to work. Of course, it had more to do. That's the spot right back there was caved in good. Pushed it out, it come out real nice. Been working on it. It should be about ready. Tailgate had a few spots on it. It's coming along good. And show you a little more on the Camaro that Edwin's been working on. A lot of people would have give up on this old car because it was pretty rusty, but we're putting a lot of new metal in it. You can see he's got the inner wheel wells on both sides cut out. Both sides cut out, fixing to cut out the taillight panel. We've got inner wheel wells that are made for they're wider, you know, give it the little mini tub look. But the person, I want to say the person was thinking they didn't want to go that route, that they wanted to go with the factory ones. Right there is one of the mini tubs. It'll give you a little bit more tire to go up under there. Not for sure what they've decided. Alan gets back, Edwin's gonna get with him and find out. He didn't want to start cutting out to put them in if they did want to go back to the factory ones. But that's where we're at on the 69 Camaro. The other 69 Camaro, hoping to have it ready to be at our Turkey Trot car show in Collinsville. If not in time for the Cruising the Coast in, where's that at down there? Orange Beach, I believe. Be down there in October in Alabama, down there around Orange Beach or the other beach somewhere. If we don't have it ready by then, we hope to have it ready by the Turkey Trot. So maybe everybody can come check it out, see it real close. One of the 256 garage builds. Alan's little 70 model. We're actually held up on a drive shaft on it. We wanted to get it on the lift, but can't get it on don't want to get it on the lift till we have a drive shaft and the transmission lines. We did find a cross member. I think he went and bought a new shifter, so we've got all that, but we just need transmission lines and the drive shaft. Then we'll get it on the lift, put that stuff in, and got a few new hats and stuff in. Plenty of hats and t-shirts if anybody's interested. A hat's 20 bucks, remember, and t-shirts 15. You can meet us up here at the shop, or let's see right here, kind of show you. Right there are some of the different color hats. Got that new color in. Down to actually one, because one of them's been claimed. They're supposed to come pick it up. Got a t-shirt sold and got a couple of the purple ones sold, but we still got the Harley Davidson color, still got some red ones, some red and white ones. 2 of the black and white ones are sold. Mr. Phillip down there in Florida, he's got them asked for. I got to ship them out Monday to him. And then we got a couple of red, white, and blue. Real nice hat, white 256 in it. Then like I said, the green. I think we got a navy and navy with white, red right in one fit. Just a couple different things, you know, just holler at me. find out what we got anyway. But anyway, rain's coming down. Feels like it's fixing to pick back up again. I'm gonna get in here and piddle on this old race car. Probably won't never make it this season, but maybe we'll get to make a pass next season. Love to be able to carry the video down there and show everybody it going down the track for the first time that's kind of kept up with it. And maybe one day we will. But anyway, hope everyone has a good weekend. Stay dry. 256 Garage out.